Really quick message. I need to hear this sometimes, and if I need to hear it, then chances are you need to hear it. Keep going. So many times we ask for something in life. We say, we want this life, we want this business, we want this bank account, we want this investment portfolio, we want this team, we want this life, we want this whatever. And we think it's gonna be easy. Oh yeah, okay, I'll just manifest it, it'll come. And then all of these challenges, all of these obstacles, all of these things that test us, that stretch us, come seemingly out of nowhere, and we step down from the challenge. And by stepping down, we step away from the very thing we said we wanted. God, the universe, source, works in not even so mysterious ways. It's gonna test us. It's gonna stretch us. And if you're just like, oh, I don't believe in any of that, then just logically think about it. You don't have what you want because you're not the person that could have it yet. And so by going through the challenge, going through the struggle, going through the difficulty, we grow, we stretch, just like a muscle, just like when I'm working out. We tear the muscles and then we rebuild them. And so many times, it's why that whole saying of like 3 feet or 6 feet from gold, or you know the saying, they're digging, they stop right when they're there. That's where the juice is. That's where the breakthrough happens. That's where the upgrade in character, that's where the upgrade in skill, that's where the upgrade happens. And I remind myself of that when I'm going through it, and I promise you, it is every week at some point, I'm like, really? This sucks. Like, what? And I'll get out of the game. I'll get out of the game for an hour. I'll get out of the game for 24 hours. I'll be all bummed out. And I'll wake up the next day and I'm like, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity to grow into the person I have to be, to have that which I say I want. Lucas, now it's time to back it up. Let's go. Don't quit. Don't freaking stop. You're made of the same stuff the stars are made of. Isn't that insane? They did some test. It's like they looked at something that comes from the universe. I don't know what they were looking at, like some rock or something. And we're like 98% made of the exact same stuff that like the freaking stars are made of. Isn't that insane? How they captured that, I actually don't know. As stars, I guess, explode. And however they captured this atomic structure, this molecular structure of this thing way deep in the universe that's like a miracle out there. We're made of the same stuff, 98%. Is that crazy? Think about that. And then we just let a little problem or a little challenge or a little difficult situation and we're like, oh, we can't do it. You can do anything. This is a reminder for me as much as it is you. Keep going. Appreciate you. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We talk crypto, we talk DeFi, we talk investing, we talk the mindset behind it all. Super important. We talk about the YouTube channel. We talk about the Underdog Investor Group, which is our private investor community. Join the Monday Mindset calls if you're a part of that. Do not miss them. They're gonna be worth joining. And with that said, I'm gonna get out of here. Appreciate you. Peace.